Pancake Madness. May the odds be ever in your favor.
My seat's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar, and I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to.
Now this is my fourth.
Oh, it's my first.
The holes in my apologies, you know, I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight. We are young. Hey, I heard you are a wild one. Ooh, if I took you home. Show me how you do. I wanna shut down the club with you. Hey, I heard you like the wild ones, wild ones, wild ones.
Oh, I like crazy, foolish, stupid, probably going wild, fist pumping music, I might lose it.
It's fantastic. The best day of my life. Best day of the semester.
Like almost there, the right vibe, ready to get live, ain't no surprise, take me so high, jumping those dives, surfing the crowd.
I could stick around and get along with you. Hello, oh, oh, oh. It doesn't really mean that I'm into you. Hello.
This is my fourth Pancake Madness.
You're alright, but I'm your darling to enjoy the party. Don't get too excited, cause that's all you'll get from me. Hey, yeah, I think you're cute, but really you should know. I just came to say hello. This is my last Pancake Madness.
It's our second.
I'ma let you try to convince me to. Hello, oh, oh, oh. Oh, it's alright, I'm getting busy, just enjoy the party. It's okay with me if you don't have that much to say. Hey, kinda like this game, but there's something you should know. I just came to say hello. I've been everywhere, man. You can please me, love me all night long. I've been everywhere, man, looking for you, babe.
As tall as I am, every year some big hand comes or someone spits in my eye. That happened one year.